Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for a brand new video. So this week I thought I would do a weekly vlog because it has been too long since I've vlogged. I thought we could spend the week together this week. As you can tell, I am back at home and I actually have such a fun week planned, so I'm so excited. So I really hope you all do enjoy this video. If you do, then please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and yeah, let's just get into it. Morning, so I'm actually running late, so I need to be quick, but I'm going to Cambridge to see Daisy. We're going for some lunch, gonna get a few pics. This is my little outfit of the day. The jacket is from Boohoo, top Zara, joggers are PLT, then just got my black and white dunks on, but yeah, I need to leave. So I'm with Daisy, we've come for some lunch. It's so cute in here. We've got these little eyes. I love these glasses. I love these. When I move out, I want a glass like this.
I saw these in B&M the other day.
Yeah, I need to get. We've come to this little cute cafe in Cambridge. I managed to find it on Instagram. It's so cute in here. I'm so buzzing it's not busy. It's so cute. Apparently on their Instagram, this place says that they do the best coffee. We've got caramel. Oh, is it good?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, really? Excited now. That is, oh my god, that's like way better than Starbucks, I swear. My food has just come, just patiently waiting for Daisy's. It looks really good, doesn't it? I've just got back from being with Daisy. We had such a nice afternoon. The lunch place was so cute and the food was unreal. Got some content, we went around Zara, but Zara wasn't really that good, to be honest. Because we're going on a little shopping day tomorrow, I was like, you know what, I don't really need to buy anything now, although I did still buy 2 things. So excited about this. I went into Kiko and I finally managed to get a Hydra Gloss. I feel like I've been wanting one of these for probably about a year now and they're just always sold out. Shade 5, and how unreal is that? If I sound really bunged up, it's because I am. I honestly don't know what's the matter with me. Like, my nose is just so banged up. I've got like a really bad like head cold. I got the Zara perfume. It's the Rose Gourmand, don't know how you say it, one. Honestly, this smells incredible. I feel like I probably prefer this over like Red Temptation. Giving like I want to take this on holiday with me. This is my new favourite. But it's literally 7 o'clock and it's still blue skies outside. That honestly makes me so happy. Like, I want to take my makeup off, sort out my room. I'm trying to like kind of clean my room like every day so it doesn't get really messy. I really should do some uni work this evening, but Netflix and TV's just got me in such a hole. I'm up to date with Married at First Sight Australia. Hopefully there's a new episode tonight. I've watched Love is Blind up until the point there's no more episodes. New episodes are coming out on the 31st. I've got to wait for that. Watched Rise and Fall, so good by the way, on Channel 4, would really recommend. I'm so excited. I've used one of these like shelves in my wardrobe to store my perfumes and it's literally perfect. Look at my tiny perfume collection. I need to really start like investing in perfume to get this full. I feel like I want to be one of them girls that has like a different scent for every single occasion, but that's not me right now. I've got Zara Amber Fusion, Zara Red Temptation, I've got Cinemusk, Amber Rose, the Claudia Kilsby perfume, which is incredible. Then this is Prada Candy, which I also love. So at the back, that's the Louis Vuitton perfume dupe that I saw on TikTok shop. It smells really nice, actually. Morning, happy Tuesday. So today I'm going on a little solo shopping trip. I'm so excited, and I'm also going to get an M-Sculpt treatment with Therapy Clinic. It's kind of where they like tone the muscles in your stomach. I don't really know. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready now. I don't really know what I want to do with my hair today. I'm just gonna kind of roll with it and see what we come up with. It's not like greasy, but you know when it just feels a little bit like it's getting greasy, and I don't really know if I want to have it down and curly again today. Right, this is my little shopping outfit for today. The jacket is obviously Zara. I feel like this is such a basic B outfit. I feel like every single girl has this outfit. I've got my yoga hoodie on, black Telfar. This is from Small Lux Finds, by the way. So cute. Jeans are from PLT. Then I've got my black and white dunks on. And I've gone for like a slick half up, half down vibe. My hair, natural vibe. I always do this. I really want to do like a natural makeup look, but I just end up getting so carried away. But I mean, it's still kind of natural, kind of glowy. I need to leave. I need to get petrol, but I only have 47% on my phone. I've got to film my Therapy Clinic ad on it, plus daily vlog for TikTok on it. And I'm not going to have enough battery plus an hour sat nav there and back, so I'm kind of stressed about the battery. In Ikea, I just found the most unreal cushion covers and they didn't have any, which I'm really upset about. I'm not even getting anything for myself, I'm getting stuff for my whole entire family. Daisy's redecorating our whole bedroom.
Morning, I was like, right, I'm going to get the drawers this morning. I was like, who can I go with?
Shannon,
Let's go.
I love these. These look so cute in your room. My mum wants freezer bags and then my nan wants this for her new house. Got it? You don't look too sure on that. Me literally carrying my tray of devices. Guys, I've literally been asked this dressing gown for so long. Buzzing. Come to Ikea for your waffle dressing gowns. I was going to order
one, like a cream.
Yeah, I've got, oh, that's even, that's really nice as well. That's giving hotel.
Yeah, that is.
Buzzing. Do these just small, medium?
This is where the real muscle comes in. Right, is it
one and two?
Yeah.
Right.
This is hilarious.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Fuck! It's so heavy.
Right. Down. That's really heavy. I was not expecting it to be that heavy. Yeah, there's no way in hell you could have done this on your own.
Oh my god. I'm so weak, I need to go to the gym.
Yeah.
It's like a segue.
Oh my god. Come to the canteen for food. This is my first time ever trying Ikea meatballs. I can't believe I've never had them before. I feel like everyone hypes up about them and you're like, what's the hype? Because I've never
You're gonna know the hype. Taste test.
Taste test.
No, really good.
They're so bad but so good, aren't they?
They're so good. Ikea meatballs and that whole Ikea meal was actually amazing. So I don't mean to be dramatic, but I now understand the hype. You know when you try something and you're like, why have I never tried them before? Daisy's gone home and I've come to the centre MK, I think it's called, in Milton Keynes, to go to Primark. I'm gonna go, I think there's a Zara here. I hope there's a Zara here, but I'm definitely gonna go around Primark. And then I've got a Sculpt treatment with therapy clinic at 5:30, so I've got about an hour or so to do some shopping. Of course, first stop is Primark. Really love this little pink pyjama top and shorts. I think it'd be so cute in the summer. I kind of want to get it. I'm just in the homeware bit. There wasn't really anything like that good in terms of clothes, and the stuff that I did like didn't have my size, but I've got some headbands, and also this is like a cream bronzer. It's kind of like the Chanel bronzer dupe, and you know how much I literally love Primark makeup. But I'm now in the homeware section, and you know there's so many cute bits, but I'm just like, oh, I can't spend my money. I'm out of breath, I'm so unfit. Right, I've just got back from having my Sculpt treatment. Didn't know what I was expecting, wasn't expecting what happened. I'll put like a little video on the screen. I had this like machine attached to my stomach, and it made my like, it was kind of like she described it as like an outside contraption, like outside of the body contraption, which is exactly what it felt like. I had some laser appointments on my account, and she very kindly like fit me in for a quick laser on my underarm, so I'm really buzzed about that. But now I'm gonna head home. I have no battery, I don't even know why. I basically bought my laptop with me to charge my phone. Genuinely, I've got 3% battery on my phone. Not the vibe. My shopping trip, chilled. It's getting late, but I really want to try my new dressing gown. I don't even know if I said, but Zara was so bad. Like, genuinely, when I say I think the knots in Zara's bad, that Zara today was so bad. There was like nothing that I even like. But I'm really sad. I went on a shopping trip and it just wasn't very successful, other than the fact that I got this waffle dressing gown, which I am so excited about. I love it. I feel so bougie. Oh my god, I love her. How cute. Let me show you the mirror. How cute is this? Run to Ikea for a cute little dressing gown. I'm obsessed. I do kind of wish it was a little bit longer. I mean, this length is kind of giving me the ick, but I feel bougie. I feel like I should be on holiday right now. Morning, happy Wednesday. So I've got myself ready this morning because I'm going to go and film my drive with me, catch up for you guys, which you will already see when this is up. My little outfit of the day. I've got my eyeliner set on, my trench coat. I kind of want to wear this. I've got an event on Friday and I really want to wear this on Friday as well, but I literally can't wear this outfit 3 times in the space of a week. Off to go and get a Costa, which I'm so excited about. I literally crave Costa coffee so much, especially as soon as I'm home. I'm like, I need a Costa. Hi, I've just filmed my little catch up live update. I'm going to go to my nan's. Got a little Costa. This is a latte with a shot of caramel. Costa don't do almond milk anymore, which was really sad. Well, then we're in a shortbread. I'm going to go round and see my nan because they're actually moving house tomorrow, like officially moving house. They've literally built their dream house, which is so exciting. I'm going to go and pop round and see them. I'm pretty sure she's just going to be packing up boxes, to be honest, but my mum's there. So I've just come to Tesco's quick to do my food shop. Wow, this is a really cute greasy hair look. Let me show you what I've just put in my hair. Of course, the TikTok shop rosemary oil, and then I was looking in the cupboard and I found this. I think I must have got this in like a PR box ages ago. It's the hair syrup vitamin C me oil. So I put this through the ends of my hair. And I feel like the beginning of this vlog's kind of been a bit boring, but I'm going back to Knott's tomorrow for Betty's night out, so I'm gonna bring you along with that. I honestly don't even really know what I've been doing my days. I feel like I've just had a bit of like a week. I think I'm definitely coming on my period. You know when you just have that week before your period where you just know that you're just not 110% yourself? That is me right now. I'm currently watching Night Agent on Netflix. So good. Would 100% recommend. Shock, I'm back binging TV again. I'm gonna go to bed. Night besties. See you tomorrow. Wow, this is a cute look. Good morning. I woke up this morning and you know when you feel like you've woken up from the world's deepest sleep and you just can't get up? That was me. So it's currently nearly 11 o'clock and I actually do need to kind of like get myself sorted and ready to leave, but I need to wash my hair. Just uploaded my drive with me for tonight's video, and honestly I don't know why, I just feel so happy, as in like just so excited to get a video out for you guys. I'm gonna wash my hair today using my Colour Wow shampoo and conditioner. This stuff is so good. Ready to go. My tracksuit is from Sisters and Seekers, and then I've got my Boohoo like long trench on, and also my New Balance trainers because I'm just obsessed with them. Sorry, I'm on my phone, so just left my camera in the car. I've come for a quick sunbed. I'm trying the peach QB tan today. I haven't smelled it yet. Really good. Made it to Knott's. The girls are getting ready in my room. It feels so early, but it's not actually that early. It's kind of early.
It's too early.
It's early. Do you know what it is? It's because it's so light outside still.
Oh no.
It's 20 to 6.
It's 20 to 6 and we're getting ready because we've got nothing else to do. Yeah, we're going out for food at 8. Is it booked for 8? So technically, like, we need to leave at just after 7:30. I've just put my mirror here because I haven't got my one from home, so I'm just gonna get ready here. All ready to go out tonight. I'm actually obsessed with this outfit. We're actually going for sushi at like 8 o'clock. This is my little outfit. I'm obsessed. It's from Boohoo. It's actually so sick. I really need to drink some of this wine. Should we do a little, we like to drink the Shannon. That was pathetic from me. Also deep in how I've literally got to do a 2.5 hour journey at 9 AM tomorrow morning.
Over dinner because we've got a bottle of wine each. We've got a bottle of white and then a bottle of rosé. Got the glasses that are all different sizes. So I'm hilarious.
That's like so we're in our clubbing
Outfits in a civilised dinner. Duck spring rolls. Yeah, duck spring rolls.
Paris's food looks so good.
Got this mango tempura sushi for Maine. It looks unreal.
We went to a bar for a drink, so now we've quickly come to Spoons for a few drinks, and we're getting 6 shots of tequila rosé.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Outfits from Boohoo.
Outfit check! Zara and Shabba's from
Lux the cow.
Cheers for
We're in Primark and I am buying a suitcase. A full-on suitcase. Honestly, watching me wheel this round. Me in Primark right now.
I've got the ick.
Really do not have time to be vlogging right now, but oh well, gonna do it anyway. Basically, as you saw, I went out with the uni girls last night and I had to be up and out the door at 9 AM. Today was a very hungover day, but I powered through, went to Westfield Stratford, done some shopping. We went to go to an event, then when we got there was nothing there. We were so confused. Honestly, so nice to have a little catch up with Daisy and Grace, even though I did see Daisy at the beginning of the week. It was so nice to see Grace because I haven't seen her in ages. As you saw, I got this suitcase from Primark. It's actually a really good size. It was only £38 because I've got some holidays coming up. I was like, I need to get a big case now before I leave it too late and there isn't any. I've wanted new Primark pyjamas for ages and every single time I've gone, I've never found any I like until today. I found these hot pink, beautiful satin pyjamas. These are so cute. And especially now we're getting into some of the short pyjamas are a must. How unreal is this colour pink? These were £14 and they feel really nice. And then this is so excessive because I really didn't need to do this. I also got the little hot pink pyjama bottoms. They're like in a really soft rib with the matching, you know, like the staple little Primark tops that everyone has. Basically just got pyjamas in the exact same colour. Love that from me. Drive back from Westfield. It takes like less than an hour for me to drive from my house to Westfield Stratford, but the drive back genuinely took me like nearly 2 hours because that's how much traffic there was. 45 minutes to get ready because I'm going out with Courtney and Cara tonight. We're going for a little Chinese, going out in our hometown vibes. Of course I'm going to bring you all along. You can experience a night out in my small hometown with me. I'm ready. I had a little bit of an outfit stress, but it's fine. We're all good. Courtney is coming to pick up me and Karis because me and Karis don't actually live like right in town, and then we're gonna go for a Chinese. My room is an absolute mess, but I've got this blazer on from PLT. It is really oversized, so I usually prefer wearing it with like shorts kind of vibe. I've got these new jeans on from PLT with my new dunks, and then the top is Zara. For a Chinese, it was so good, but it was like such a small Chinese place, and like everyone was sitting around us, and I can't lie, I felt way too awkward to put the camera out. What are you chatting? We're in Spoons with the girls. Oh yeah. And oh yeah. And they don't do tequila rosé, but this is the B-Tech version of tequila rosé.
No, this is truly the
So they're gonna give you the Spoons verdict.
It's like, it looks thin.
Yeah.
Okay, come on, we can do it.
It's gonna come back up.
Sweet. It's a no from me.
Do you know what? Oh my god. Yeah. It's not tequila rosé, is it? And also we got a bottle of wine.
Shaking as well.
I actually want to down some of my drink because I've got a lot more wine.
I can't down more.
There's no time.
Watch me get copyrighted.
You are the it, but like, no, my friend from work, she was like,
Not the fucking wine glass.
no, that's mine. That's literally mine. It's literally mine. So one of the girls from work, she was like, I thought it was it. She was like, who do you think you are? And I was like,
Literally in Wetherspoon's toilets right now. because Royston is so dead.
No one wants to know where to move to. It's not here.
Was this a lot of
Alright then, you're the maid.
Won't be again.
Right, you're not going to offer for a house one.
Alright, Schmin.
Not alright, Shrin. Happy Saturday, besties. It's actually getting quite late now. I had to drop my stepdad at the airport this afternoon. I was hungover this morning. I got ready, and because I'm so holiday excited at the moment, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna film some holiday outfit inspo. So that's literally what I've been doing for the past few hours. I want to show you this outfit because I feel like this is such a cute airport outfit vibe. Look how unreal this little play suit is from Boohoo. I'm actually obsessed with it. The bag is from Small Lux Finds. Then Converse. Sometimes you kind of want to put on a jacket. I feel like blazers are actually so comfy and just easy. How cute is this? Now I really want to go on holiday right now. Look, obsessed. You're not gonna believe I got in PR today. I literally got sent the new Good Girl Caroline Herrera perfume. It's the blush one. I literally screamed when I opened this. I love the smell of the normal one, but I'm honestly just so fussy about spending money on perfume. I have not opened this yet. It's still in the packaging because I've been waiting all day so we can smell it together on camera. Apparently, because I texted it to Eva and Eva was like, oh my god, it's meant to smell amazing. I really hope the bottle's cute so I can put it on my little like perfume shelf. Look at this bottle. Look at this freaking bottle. It's a pink shoe. Stop it. Oh my god, my room is like nude and then I love having like accents of pink things. You're lying. Oh my god, that smells better than the normal one. If you like the normal Caroline Herrera Good Girl perfume, you're gonna love this. I literally couldn't believe it when I got this in PR. I feel so spoiled. Let's put it on my little shelf. So what are we thinking to the neon pink bag? I kind of feel like I have a love-hate relationship with it. My organisation skills and neatness is not very good, so I don't know where this is gonna go. To be fair, this could actually look cute up here with this. Sorry, who is she? That looks sick. This is comfy, but I'm gonna get on like my pajamas and stuff and then we can go and cook dinner. My mum works at the weekend, so I'm literally, it's me, myself and I because my stepdad's gone to Spain. Wow, the lighting in my kitchen is so good. I really can't bother to go upstairs and get my light, so sorry if the lighting's really bad, but I need to make myself dinner. It's really late, it's like 9 o'clock, but I just really can't bother to cook. I'm gonna have salmon, I think. I didn't defrost it though, which is a fail, but you can put frozen salmon in the air fryer, so we're just gonna go with that. Sorry, this is the most excessive bag of spinach I've ever seen in my life. Avocado, spinach, what else? Kind of want a corn on the cob, I can't lie. I mean, presentation isn't exactly my thing, but this actually looks so good. Health queen. I've currently been watching The Night Agent on Netflix and I've been absolutely loving it. My dinner was so good. I'm actually so glad I had that corn on the cob. I'm obsessed with sweet corn. Like, that's actually one of my favourite foods, but I'm gonna take my makeup off using my oat cleansing balm. It's literally like 10:30. Why is my makeup still on my face right now? Happy Sunday. I'm going around my nan's today. I'm just waiting for her to text me because I think they've had to go into town. Yeah, I'm all dressed for the day. I'll show you guys my outfit in a second, but I think I've just come downstairs to get some pomegranate seeds. I had the biggest lie this morning. Like, I didn't even open my eyes until 10:30, and the only reason why I got up is because my mum came in my room. The Tesco ones, and they taste way better than the Aldi ones. I'm gonna quickly go to Tesco's. It's my nan and granddad's anniversary tomorrow, so I'm gonna get some flowers, card, chocolate. Tesco's is so busy right now. I don't know why, but I wasn't expecting it to be this busy. I'm gonna try and vlog when I'm in there, but I'm not gonna bring my camera. I'm just gonna take my phone in.
So I picked up these flowers. I'm now trying to decide on a card. I'll probably be here for about a few hours trying to decide.
I have had the most traumatic Tesco shopping experience and now I can't get out of this fucking car park space. I've got 2 cars next to me. I had no cars next to me when I got here, and I've got a van, like a big van, like directly behind me that, you know, when it's so big that it can't, like, it's over the line, like it's not even properly back in the space, and I've tried to reverse out of this space 3 times and I cannot turn my car. I'm literally in my period as well, so I could cry. Just editing this video and honestly, I was at Tesco's car park for half an hour. I can't believe I didn't even update you guys, but yeah, I was around my nan's for like a few hours after that. Then I just came home and literally chilled. You've got to edit this video or carry on vlogging, so that was a shit vlogger moment from me, but I really hope you all enjoyed. I am weekly vlogging again this week. If you did enjoy them, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next video.